Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Doodle to Google Calendar, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect Doodle to Google Calendar, start by opening your web browser. Visit the Doodle website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, sign up for one using your email. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture or initials. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Calendar tab. Click on the Calendar tab to access calendar integration options. Find the section labeled Google Calendar. Click the Connect button next to Google Calendar. A new window will open, prompting you to sign into your Google account. Enter your Google email and password, then click Next. You may be asked to grant Doodle permission to access your Google Calendar. Review the permissions and click Allow. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message in Doodle. To customize your integration, select which Google Calendar you want to sync with Doodle. You can choose to sync events both ways or only one way. Make sure to save any changes made to your settings. You are now ready to start using Doodle with your Google Calendar. Return to the main page of Doodle to create your first poll or event. Your Google Calendar will now reflect all relevant updates from Doodle. Feel free to check your Google Calendar to ensure everything is synced properly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.